At the STEAM Academy, I really like it because it has a lot of hands-on activities.
The STEAM Academy is certainly focused on the students, right? And it's focused on middle and high school. But it's one thing to just focus on them, and if they go back into their communities, meaning their homes, at their schools, etc., if they're not getting those same experiences, then the impact of what a week like this may do may not be very significant. And so the goal of the conference is to include everybody in that experience. So not just the kids, but their parents, their families, the educators, the leaders in the community. Sort of everyone is sort of being able to be a part of that STEAM experience. They get the excitement, they gain an understanding of how important it is to get our young ones exposed to these concepts. They see how fun it is. And so that they want to continue to engage in it, they want to continue to work along with young people to just keep this excitement and this interest and curiosity going.
The most intriguing to me that I've learned most about is probably the Science Institution. It blew my mind. I was so impressed.
We've been working on our, what are they called, cajitas, that's what they call them. And it's basically, we're trying to come up with solutions for the 17 goals that the United Nations wants to accomplish by 2030.
We're planning on making a future and past resemblance of what we do before and what happens after if we make bad choices.
I think it's a great program. We're having a great time. It's a beautiful day here at USD, and my daughter's just enjoying the completion of her camp. She had a great time. She was introduced to many different disciplines, for example, software, mechanical engineering, scientific methods, so she absolutely loved it.
Like, I went to a coding class to code a video game. So basically you had blocks and you had to code this little character to get around and collect strawberries and go back to his camp. Usually at school it's just learning about history, math and stuff like that, but we don't get to really do a lot of hands-on creativity things.